So Jobcentre Takeover Day started 4 years ago. I had a meeting with DWP to talk about what we could do differently to engage with the unemployed. We appreciated job fairs sometimes could be a bit overwhelming, so we decided to bring the college to the job centre to come and have conversations and just make sure that there was something for everybody, no matter where they are in their lives, in their journey. It's not just about courses at the Jobcentre Takeover Day, it's about self-confidence and their well-being. So some of the stations that are my favourite ones, and they're really popular, we have our barbering faculty that come along, and they will give free haircuts to the job seekers to have a trim, make them feel really good about themselves, to help them feel more powerful. So when they go to that interview, you feel good about yourself, you're going to present yourself a lot better and be more confident. The key thing is to have something for everybody, no matter where they are in their journey. So we have a provision called Solutions, helps with that one-to-one support. We'll meet them in a cafe, we can meet them in the park if the weather's nice, just to have those one-to-one discussions and build an action plan for them.
My name is Sally Cookson and I'm a work coach team leader at Weston Jobcentre. Feedback on the whole has been really positive. Customers are very surprised at the help and support that is out there, particularly from the college. I think it's really important to work in partnership. We can't do this on our own. We really need the support of Weston College to help our customers move forward into education training and then hopefully into employment. So it is definitely a crucial partnership for us. We're actually on our 4th takeover event. It came from the partnership between Weston College and ourselves. The idea was to engage with larger numbers of customers so they could experience and learn about the provision that was available through the college. So we pretty much have something for everybody. The college are really good at making sure we've got a really wide range of provision available. So everybody is informed beforehand, whether it be self-employment, a haircut, nails, whatever it may be, we have something available. I think the collaboration with the college and ourselves, it works really well. Staff really enjoy this event, as customers do. It's a really positive, upbeat event.
For Weston, I think over the 4 years we've supported over 1,000 job seekers. My goal is to keep sharing this practice to other colleges, for them to take part in this takeover day once a year, and the impact that will have on unemployment would be significant, and we can start bringing down the unemployment rate across the country